Hello everyone, I'm Scott. How many times have you experienced challenges within your goals? I'm sure the answer is probably something like over and over again. Because within our goals, we experience challenges. And maybe not just in our goals, but just in life in general. There's so much challenges that we go through as humans to find ourselves, to truly know what we want, and to find the right people for us as well. But within all of these challenges, the challenges within the goals, the challenges within life, it can make it very difficult. It can make it very difficult to find peace and to know your worth as well. But if there's one thing that I have learned in the past couple of years, it would be this: that you have more strength than you realize. Within our goals, within our life, the challenges that we have, we are more stronger than we realize. What I have learned in the past is that by overcoming my fears, my obstacles, the challenges that I face every day, even if I think they are possible to overcome or not, it's still strengthening me and it's showing me how possible it truly is. How much further I can go with my goals, how much more hits I can take and still keep standing and still keep doing what I do best. And I believe all of that starts within the mind. Whenever I experience challenges, I remind myself that I have more strength in me than I think I realize. Because I reflect back to my past experiences, to my past challenges, and see how much challenges I have overcame. Things that I never thought I would be able to move on from, and I managed to do it. And here I am, not feeling worried about those things before, and doing the things that I love to do. So this is your reminder, this is your proof that you have more strength in you than maybe you think you realize. For me, it's about pushing myself each day, taking little steps, because although big steps are great, little steps also matter. I think most people think that little steps don't really matter, but if you really think about it, if I take one step every single day, and then let's say someone who doesn't, I am 365 steps ahead of someone who hasn't. So for me, I see the value in taking small steps. And obviously I can be a little bit impatient. There is times where I go, well, maybe I should push it a little bit more. Maybe I should take a little bit more big steps, and that's okay. Thinking like that is okay, it's not a bad thing, of course not. For me personally, it's more of about pushing myself a little bit further. One step at a time. I move on to one problem, then I figure out the next problem, and the next one, and the next one. One thing that I would say I've gotten much better at is problem solving. There's a lot of challenges that come in my way every single day. I'm sure the same for you as well, of course, because we're all human. We all experience challenges, setbacks, etc. But the more challenges I have overcame, the more my problem solving skills have gotten better. So that's just also one of the strengths of just persevering, keep going. Because there's more skills that we are building by persevering, by maybe pushing ourselves a little bit further. So I hope that this video can help you in any type of way, and to understand that you truly have more strength in you than maybe you think you realize. Because there's times where I think that I don't have enough strength, but I constantly remind myself, whenever I can, I constantly remind myself, and I say to myself, even if I think at the time that I do or don't, I say, Scott, I have strength, I have strength, I have strength. And what it does is it reignites and gives me this boost to keep on going. I think I actually made a similar video to this one, and if I have, then so be it. I guess it is what it is. If you enjoyed this video, then please like the video, subscribe down below, and I hope that the message that I shared, I hope that you can take, even if it's a small little bit out of this video, and I hope it can help you in some way. Thank you again for watching, and I will see everyone in the next video.